There are certain keyboard shortcuts in Excel that you can use in order to see the current date and current time. If you press Control and semicolon on the keyboard, you can see the current date. Now, whatever current date it is, you will see that, the whatever date your computer shows on your computer at the bottom right corner. Whatever date that you see, you will be seeing that. If you press Control Shift semicolon, you will get the current time. Now, that current date and current time is a snapshot of time. It's not going to change all the time. It's just when you press those buttons, whatever time was it, it will just capture that date and capture that time. On the other hand, if you want a dynamic date and dynamic time, there's a function called now. No parameters at all. Just put in equal now. You will get current date and current time together on on your Excel. And there's also a function called today. I'll rather say today. So you again, as the name suggests, equal today, no parameters. So you can use these to get the today date. Now, the difference between today and now is that today will not show you the time. Now will show you the time as well. And today and now both are very dynamic. They are dynamic. So whenever you open a workbook, it will automatically capture the today's date, update these functions immediately. They get updated whenever the Excel gets recalculated. We want to make sure that the today's and now they are updated, and if they are, so what happens if sometimes you open Excel workbook, you just browse through a couple of sheets and say and you close the workbook and it says, okay, do you want to save changes? And you say, okay, I haven't made any changes in there, so why is it asking for me to save the changes? Well, maybe there are some functions that are using today and now within, and when you open the file, they got updated, and now they are asking if you want to save changes because the cell values has changed. So at certain times, you might get these challenges, these prompts. When you open a workbook, you won't make any changes, but still you are being asked to save the changes. If that is, maybe there's a function that has been calculated between.